Genesis chapter 23. In the land of Canaan, a sorrowful moment came to Abraham's household. Sarah, his beloved wife, passed away at the age of 127 in the town of Kiriath Arba, also known as Hebron. Abraham mourned deeply for her, weeping over the loss of his partner, his companion through all the years of faith and trial. But even in his grief, Abraham needed to provide a resting place for Sarah. So he rose and went to the Hittites, the people of that land, saying, "I am a foreigner among you. Please grant me a place to bury my dead." The Hittites responded with honor, saying, "You are a mighty prince among us. Choose the finest of our tombs, and none will withhold it from you." Yet Abraham, humbly and with respect, bowed before them. He requested to purchase a specific cave, the cave of Machpelah, owned by Ephron, son of Zohar, at the edge of a field. Ephron, standing before his people, offered the land freely. "No, my lord, I give you the field and the cave within it. Bury your dead." But Abraham insisted on paying a full price, saying, "If you are willing, please accept payment from me so that I may bury my dead there." Then Ephron named the price, 400 shekels of silver. Without hesitation, Abraham weighed out the silver in the presence of witnesses, and so the field of Machpelah near Mamre, along with its cave and trees, was deeded to Abraham as his own possession. There Abraham laid Sarah to rest in the land God had promised to his descendants, a place of peace for his beloved wife, and a testimony of faith for generations to come.